reach the top. We did it just over half an hour. So they have to watch for the wind direction and the speed of the wind as well before they take off. Right now we're about 1500 meters. Oh, the view is so beautiful. Oh my god. Sometimes you have a thermic which pushes you up. See the little bended mound. Yeah. And left to it there's also one which is quite wide. Yeah. And we will climb on this one. Oh, is that where we going tomorrow? Yeah. It's pretty loud, huh? I thought it's just gonna make a little noise. Together or? No, separate. Okay. So it's quite easy. Always just push. Okay. So I always have to push it forward? Oh my god. Oh, this is crazy. It's so good. So quick. Oh. Woo! Whee! Oh, this is hard, huh? It's hard on the right hand because I'm holding the GoPro using my left hand. Hello. That was fun. We didn't have the slide so far. So all over Graz they provide this refrigerator full of food. So obviously there's different types of food that you are allowed to put in according to these instructions, but generally they contain breads and something that doesn't go off very quickly, as you can see here. So yeah. And apparently there's a WhatsApp group that kind of informs everybody or updates everybody about the fridge. There's a few more all around Graz, but I've only seen 3 so far. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Actually, this is the picture where they show what you're allowed to put on the fridge and what you're not allowed to put on the fridge. And it also shows the map where they are located. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I like it. I like this kind of scheme, you know. No matter what happens, no one will go hungry in this city. Another thing that Austrian likes doing is to play tennis. They have an indoor tennis court, outdoor ones, and another outdoor ones over there. So yeah, it's pretty cool. They're very active. It's a pretty cool cycling path because this road has a wider bicycle lanes than the actual road for the cars. This building is pretty cool because they put it right in the middle of a river here in Graz. And I'm not quite sure what it is. It could be a museum or a restaurant maybe. Oh, it's kind of like a chill out area. There's lots of chairs, and so what's cool about this is it connects the other side of the river to the other side over there. So it's just like a little footpath for people to walk through. And also, while they're at it, they've created this restaurant and coffee shop, so it's pretty cool. Here in Graz, they have bicycle parking space everywhere you go. Pretty much every street corner and every flats, houses, they always have this. It's pretty amazing. And you can tell how safe a city is when they have bicycle stations like this, you know. People are confident that they could just leave their bikes there for a day, you know, without being worried about it being stolen, you know. They have a kind of a museum. I don't know exactly where it is, but I guess it's a museum inside. It looks very futuristic. The shape of the building is just out of this world. It's amazing. It looks closed at the moment. Oh no, they're open. Shortest escalator ever. It's the first pitch, 30 meters. The rope is 60 meters. When you can see the black painting on the rope, then I might be near the stand. Okay. So how we gonna climb? If you look here first, it goes a little bit right, and then it goes slightly left. So here I just have a look, okay, right, so it must be in this crack. Looks like overhang is after the stand, right?
It's right on the stand, yeah. You know, it's a 2 to 3. But it's a diagonal one, and diagonal ones are always a bit tricky. But I go this in lead, the other one in lead, and you can make this in lead, and then make the stand just on a tree.
Okay.
There's a little bit tricky here, but it should be okay because it has a slippery foothold. And when you're up on the plateau, there's the next stand. You have to be careful when you pull it out, because when you do this, then it always goes a bit like inwards again.
It is, yeah. That's why I have to like leave a little bit of space here.
Yeah, you can leave more space, believe me, more slack here.
Yeah.
30 meters is just a 4+, it's the first one, and 3 to 4 it's really okay.
So that's the trees where we're seeing now?
There are the trees, yeah.
Mike, I can't find the next one. So I'm here. Do you want me to go left? Okay. 10 meters, go up and then left.
Here's a superb one where the little leaves are. This, and this. Yeah, it is. Where's that one?
Yep, there's a tiny bicycle patch.
Normally the normal bicycle road goes up to here and goes on the left, not on the right, but you could be right.
Okay. Imagine back in the days when they were bolting this, right? and then this probably just plain fields.
Sure.
A few houses.
Different river. But I also think they modified the river quite a lot.
Really? Woo!
We did it.
Thanks, man. That's really nice. Is there any button I can press? I don't know what gives me extra power. Sometimes it will go and then stop.
Push it quite hard and it gives you some time to down the power.
Okay. This is like better than the train that I usually take from my hometown to London. Much better.
Yeah.